Let's talk Form 4797. It's one of those forms that's easy to overlook, until it's not. Misreporting here can lead to costly errors, IRS audits, or worse, penalties that impact both you and your clients. That's why this NATP webinar is so valuable. We're breaking down exactly how to manage real-world business property sales, including how to properly classify property, calculate depreciation recapture, and avoid those common mistakes that raise red flags. You'll get to practice with case studies and earn CPE. Best of all, you'll elevate your value to clients as someone who can confidently advise on business asset sales. It's more than just filing for your clients. Our goal is to ensure your practice stays ahead in a changing world.